Hey everyone, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I do my quick and easy wash and go, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I shampooed with the Cantu Shea Butter Cleansing Cream Shampoo, and then I conditioned with the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. Alright, so working in halves, I'm going to take the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, and I'm going to just apply that to my first half of my hair. And once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to part out my first section. And I'm parting my sections out big because I don't want this to take too much time. Alright, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream and I'm just going to smooth that throughout the section. Then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush out that section, making sure everything's smooth. Next, I'm going to take the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. And just real quick, I want to show you guys what it looks like. It's a lot looser than regular gel. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to work that through the section as well. And then I'm just going to keep working it until I'm satisfied. And there you go. There goes my little curls. I could have did it a little more, but it's okay. We'll work with it. So then I'm just going to part out my next section and I'm going to continue to do the same thing. And I am going to take a spray bottle to some sections and I'm just going to spray them if I feel like it's not as damp as I want it to be. So about my hair, I've been natural this time around. As of August 2018, I faded my hair. Before that, I was actually natural for 5 years, I believe. And then I gave in and I went back to relaxer. And then I regretted that. So I ended up just cutting all my hair off again and starting over. So this time I do plan on just keeping my hair. I don't plan on cutting it anymore. Not sure my hair type. If anyone knows, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know so I can kind of label my hair a little bit and know what's going on with that. But yeah, I look forward to sharing my journey and how I, style my hair and take care of it. And hopefully she grows wonderfully and healthy. And yeah. Also, I am in need of a trim. I've actually trimmed my hair twice, once professionally and once on my own since. So, I think around the 2-year mark, I will straighten my hair out and I will give it a nice little trim on my own. And hopefully that goes well. So be on the lookout for that video. Alright, so I'm just going to continue the same process section through section. And then once I'm on the last section, I will be back. Alright, so I'm on my last section and I know that it looks white. I was a little heavy-handed with the products, but it did dry out and when it dried, it wasn't white anymore. So just to let you know that. So I'm finishing up here And then I'm all done with that. All right, and then I'm going to take the Cantu oil sheen and I'm just going to spray my hair to add some shine. Oh, and baby, when you are spraying this, please make sure you are in a well-ventilated area. There was stuff everywhere. All right, and then I'm just going to take some of that curling custard and I'm just going to slick down my edges a little bit. And then once I'm done doing that, I am all done with my style. So here's the finished look. I know it looks a little white, but again, once my hair dried, all that was gone. This style took me honestly about 10 to 12 minutes, not too long. Oh, look at that. Shrinkage is real. Things that I would do differently, I would definitely do it in smaller sections. And I would probably make sure that I get to the root a little more because my roots were kind of puffy. But yeah, other than that, I think it came out pretty nice. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned anything or both, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye-bye.